Who is Chief Minister of Kerala? Answer is Pinarayi Vijayan. And who is the Governor of Kerala? Answer is Arif Muhammad Khan. In Kerala, there are 44 major rivers, in which 41 are west flowing and 3 east flowing. All these rivers originate from the Sahyadri Hills. Periyar is the longest river in Kerala, followed by the Bharatapuzha and Pampa. Who is the Tamil Nadu CM? Answer is M.K. Stalin. M.K. Stalin. Who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? R.K. Ravi. And who is the CM of Andhra Pradesh? Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. And who is governor of Andhra Pradesh? Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. Next. Who is the CM of Telangana? K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? Sorry, Telangana. Tamil Sai Soundararajan. Soundararajan. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Answer is Uddhav Thackeray. Who is the Governor of Maharashtra? Bharat Singh Koshyari. Koshyari. In Maharashtra, there is a river called Gangotri which is originating from the Trimbakeshwar in Nasik. And there another major river is Krishna is originating in Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. And Bhima is originating in Bhima Shankar. Who is the governor of Goa? It is Goa is also called the smallest state in India. Okay. CM is Pramod Sawant. Goa CM is Pramod Sawant. Who is the governor of Goa? P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Odisha CM is Naveen Patnaik. Who is the governor of Odisha? Gandhi Lal. And in Odisha, Mahanadi is also known for the Hirakund Dam. The river flows from the state of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Chhattisgarh CM is Bhupesh Baghel. And who is the governor of Chhattisgarh? Anusuya Ulke. There are four main catchment area in a state, mainly Mahanadi, Ganga, Godavari, and Narmada. Under this, the Mahanadi, Shivanath, Arpa, Indravati, Sabri, Lilagar, Hasdo, Peri, and Saundur are main river. The Mahanadi is the lifeline of Chandigarh. Except the river of Bhastar, other major river like the Shivanath, Arpa, Hasdo, Saundur, and Junk became a part of the Mahanadi River. The Mahanadi and its tributaries holds 58.48 of the state water. Who is the CM of West Bengal? Mamata Banerjee. Who is the governor of West Bengal? Jagdeep Dhankar. See here in West Bengal there are so many rivers. In figure you can see that's the, yeah, Mahanadi is the main Mahanadi is like this. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. See, Mahanadi is like this. No, this is not. This is Mahanadi, and this is Kosi. This is Ganga, and another one is Arpa. Okay, that's the most of the river of West Bengal originate from the Himalayan in the north and in the north or from the Chota Nagpur plateau in the west and flow south and southeast over the state. See some of the governors of the state. Here the list is there. See here Andhra Pradesh governor is Shri Bhushan Harichandan and Arunachal Pradesh Brig Dr. B.D. Mishra. Assam governor is Professor Jagdish Mukhi. Bihar governor is Shri Fagu Chauhan. Chhattisgarh governor is Sushri Anusuya Ulke Ukki. Goa's governor is Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Gujarat governor is Shri Acharya Dev Vrat. Haryana governor is Shri Bhandaru Dattatreya. Himachal Pradesh governor is Shri Rajendra Vishwanath Arlekar. Jharkhand governor is Shri Ramesh Bias. Karnataka governor is Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot. Kerala's governor Shri Arif Muhammad Khan. Next, Madhya Pradesh governor Shri Mangubai Changubai Patel. Maharashtra governor is Shri Bhagat Singh Kosh Koshyari. Manipur governor is Shri Lal Ganesan. Meghalaya governor is Shri Satyalal Malik. Mizoram governor Dr. Kambhampati Kambhampati Haribabu, sorry, Kambhampati Haribabu. Nagaland governor is Professor Jagdish Mukhi. Odisha governor Ganeshi Lal. Punjab governor Banwarilal Purohit. Rajasthan governor Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra. Sikkim governor Ganga Prasad. Tamil Nadu governor R.N. Ravi. Telangana governor Tamilisai Saudhara Ranjan. Tripura governor Satyadev Narayan Arya. Uttar Pradesh governor Anandi Ben Patel. Uttarakhand governor Gurmit Singh. West Bengal governor Shri Jagdeep Dhankar. See some of the chief minister of states we will see. All chief minister of states the listed here. Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Arunachal Pradesh Prema Khandu. Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma. बिहार नीतीश कुमार, छत्तीसगढ़ भूपेश बघेल, दिल्ली अरविंद केजरीवाल, गोवा प्रमोद सावंत, गुजरात भूपेंद्र पटेल, हरियाणा मनोहर लाल, हिमाचल प्रदेश जयराम ठाकुर, झारखंड हेमंत सोरेन, कर्नाटक बसवराज बोम्मई, केरला पिनेराई विजयन, मध्य प्रदेश शिवराज सिंह चौहान, महाराष्ट्र उद्धव ठाकरे, हिमाचल प्रदेश श्री जयराम ठाकुर, झारखंड श्री हेमंत सोरेन, कर्नाटक बसवराज बोम्मई, केरला पिनेराई विजयन, मध्य प्रदेश शिवराज सिंह चौहान, महाराष्ट्र उद्धव ठाकरे, मणिपुर बीरेन सिंह।